I definitely wanted to do something a little bit different because this product is kind of different. We're going to be doing like a vlog style video today while I'm using this product. So I'm going to unbox it. Product I'm talking about is the RANVOO AICE Lite. And it's an AI neck air conditioner that gives you 24 hours of cooling. It's going to cool down the person that's wearing it, but it's also going to have different temperatures so you can adjust it. It's even got some heat adjustment and everything like that. And you know, they did send it out for a review, so you're going to be seeing this video at the same time as they are, and they didn't compensate me for this video. These are just my own thoughts, and they sent out the product in exchange for an honest review. So it's going to be really beautiful weather out. This is perfect temperature to take it to the beach or something like that, or a park where it may be a little bit hotter. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside of the box.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the RANVOO AICE Lite AI neck air conditioner. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at the RANVOO AICE Lite AI neck air conditioner, which is going to be a cooling neck fan that's going to be very, important for the summer months when it's going to get scorching hot. And, you're definitely going to need something that's going to cool you down. So inside the box, you're going to be greeted with the safety guide, the warranty, the user manual, and then you're going to be greeted with the RANVOO AICE Lite AI neck AC. One of the things I like about these is they're going to focus on cooling you down in conditions where it can reach 100 degrees. And so after a few seconds of having this on your neck, when you put it on during those type of conditions, it's going to cool you down instantly. And they do claim that this thing will have a really crazy cooling effect comparison when it comes to other cooling devices. This one feels like 64 degrees with its ICEMAX patented cooling tech that will basically rapidly lower the surrounding temperature and effectively dissipate heat. Now on one side you'll get the ICEMAX branding, and then on the right side you'll get the digital display.
So you can see I have this on. You can see it's on because the light right there. Then it has the toggle buttons right here. Then you have a charging port. It says we could charge this while in use, so that's what I'm gonna do because the battery has 3 bars out of 5 or something like that. Let me see, I think it has 2 bars out of the 4, and then it says C3 right there. And then I just felt the fans come on when I pressed that button. All right, so now it is charging. It is recognizing, let me see. All right, so I do have it charging as we speak, which is really good because you could use this when the battery dies. You could still use it around your neck while you're having a portable charging brick next to you. So when it comes to the different modes, this thing does feel pretty comfortable as far as the weight. There is this part that sticks out a little bit right here. I'm guessing that's gonna go towards your back, and that airflow has fans coming out of it, which can go directly towards your back. It does have the logo right here, and everything about this is really nice. So it's still charging. It does feel really cool. I like how you can adjust it so you can make it more open or you can make it more closed. So this is what it would look like while I'm using it. You can see the LED indicator right there. And as far as the app, it does say that it's cooling right now. All right, cool. So enough of messing around with this thing. I'm gonna test it outside and see how it holds up in the real conditions when it's like 80 degrees plus outside. So we're gonna go check this out in a different environment. All right, so here's what it looks like when it's charging. When the light is blue, that means it's on cooling mode. When it's red, it's on heat mode. When it's on green, it's on, the airflow mode, like a fan. And then when it's white, it's on the AI mode. So I guess when it's charging, the light turns blue. But you can see the little LED light display right here, letting you know that it's charging up and the battery percentage is a little bit low. So I'm just gonna wait till it gets to 100% before I actually go outside. And it says it does have quick charging, so you could charge this thing up really fast when you want to go out and use it. But what I do like is that you do have that option to use it with the charger while in use. So this is another cool feature for the Ace Lite from RANVOO.
Yo, so I'm outside right now with the RANVOO AC Lite, and it's 86 degrees right now, but it says it feels like 87. So I'm actually still good right now, like, but if I did want to cool off, I could go ahead, turn it on. I guess all you got to do is press it once and then it turns on, so you don't got to long hold it. So it says it's at 72 right now, and it's on AI mode. So the AI mode will intelligently detect, you know, how much air needs to be blown on you at that time. Right now it's definitely feeling really good as far as the cooling. 61 is actually very comfortable right now. I feel like I'm getting, you know, a nice little effect from here when it comes to the cooling. So the temperature is pretty decent as far as the overall cooling effect on here. So it's definitely cooling me off and makes it a little bit more comfortable to walk in hotter temperatures. So yeah, this is just a quick test of how it would feel when I'm walking directly in the sun. All right, so I've been biking for a little bit, and I have an electric bike, but I've just been using it on the manual pedal mode just so I could get a little bit of exercise and more blood flowing. So now I'm gonna turn the fan on so I can see if there's any relief while I'm using this thing. Or this one, here we go. And you can see right here, I am halfway battery after almost a full charge. So and I've only been using this thing less than 5-6 hours. So I already feel the relief coming from it immediately around my neck. Let's pull out the app so I can see exactly what mode it's on. You can definitely see how these are definitely going to help you when it comes to basically workouts, hiking, or even cycling. Okay, so I just came from a walk outside using the RANVOO Ace Lights, and right now the fans are on low, but I want you to be able to see if you could hear any of the wind noise that's coming through the microphone right now. But right now you can see right here, the wind speed is on like 1 or 2 notches. And it says that the temperature is 61 and it's on the AI mode. And so it just, when I was outside and I took it off after it was like 86 degrees and I took it off of my neck, I definitely noticed the difference of how hot it was outside. So I put it back on and it definitely was able to relieve me from like the heat that was actually hitting my skin. So it definitely helps out when you're directly underneath the sun and you're going for walks or whatever. You could probably even run in these if you like, because it has it's adjustable to your neck. So you could put it up here and it could sit there if you want it that high, or you could keep it low. But if you want it loose, it does do that too. So it can like fit different people and stuff like that. And so you can also control the wind speed through here directly from this little toggle. It'll actually let you toggle this anywhere you want. So you can make it all the way up, and then if you don't like that, you can slide it down to the level that you want. So I definitely like the user friendliness when it comes to this app, because everything that you need is right there. So you can adjust it how you so fit. Hey, what's up? So I have the cooling mode on right now. And as you can see, I'm holding the camera while I'm riding a bike. And this thing will basically cool down your arteries right behind your, like on the side of your neck, which is basically controlling
overall temperature levels of your body. So it's going to touch the right spot. They also do claim that it's a full body cooling, which it definitely, you could feel your whole body cool down once that area starts to get cool right away. But this is going to definitely help out living in Florida where the temperatures, or like maybe Texas or Phoenix where the temperatures, even Cali, where they hit like 90 degrees, because it gets real hot during the summer months. So this is definitely going to help when you're going outside and it's very hot and you're trying to catch some relief in the shade, but you don't have any. So you could just throw these on. You're going to get that instant relief. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I have been enjoying these when it comes to using them. You know, outdoors, even indoors. It also does work as a hot pack, and you also do get the warming mode too. So it's a lot of different ways you could use it. It also does have the LED display on there as well, so you could use that too when you're trying to see what mode it's on. And there's the LED light to also see which mode it's on. And then you also do get the controls on through the app, or you get the controls on the side. So you basically have access to all the controls. So for what these work for, basically being a cooler, air conditioner, AI driven air conditioning tech product, this is definitely going to be worth having, especially if you live in a place where the heat is going to get crazy this summer and you want to have some instant relief. Because I just got done talking to this guy named Mark, who was like 80 years old, and he's saying how he was trying to leave Florida because of the heat in the last 20 years. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if this is something that you would consider getting. But if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm, okay? I'll check you later. I'll hit you back later, crew. Peace.